As you can see, we've reached the Enter New Password field just by entering our username. Now we can change a password and easily get into our Instagram account. Hello everyone. I forgot my Instagram password, I don't know my email, and I've changed my phone. Or for our users who say, I don't know my phone number, I found a method, everyone. I changed my own password just by entering my username. Of course, there are a few criteria for this. Here's how. First, subscribe. Everyone, first of all, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. Alright everyone, for the first method, let's start by going to n.webekeen.com. There will be an Instagram link here. First off, I've added it here for you. Let's click on it. Look, I'm clicking on the password reset link here. You can also click and go this way. Here, everyone, in the link that opens, we first enter our username and press the continue button. If you can't resolve the issue using the email and phone number that appear here, if you've previously used this phone to log into the Instagram account you're trying to recover, press the No Longer Have Access to These button. And if you're logged in, it directs you to the password change area. If you're not logged in, it redirects you back to the help center like this. Now, if you can't solve it this way, let's go to the app. Open the app. Click on the 3 lines and then click on the Add Account area here. Let's click on the Login to Existing Account area. I'm clicking on the Forgot Password area. Here we enter our username. Let's enter our username like this and press Continue. We've now reached the previous screen. Here, no longer have access to this, just like we clicked before. We're going to click this as well. Let's click on the No Longer Have Access to This button. As you can see, we've reached the Enter New Password field just by entering our username. Now we can change our password and easily get into our Instagram account. You too, everyone, can recover your account this way. It's crucial that you're using the same phone and internet that you've previously used to log into your Instagram account. You can recover your account with just these 2 criteria. As you can see, I recovered it this way without needing any email address or any phone number. I hope you can get your account back this way too. If you have any questions, you can reach me via webekeen.com or in the comments. Thanks a lot. Catch you later.